You wake up, stretch your arms, and accidentally punch a hole through your bedroom wall. Your coffee mug? Crushed into powder. Your phone? Cracked just from picking it up. Congratulations, you're now superhuman. But here's the thing, having the strength of 10 people sounds awesome, until you realize you still live in a world built for regular humans. Let's say overnight your muscles became 10 times stronger than the average person. You can now lift around 2,000 pounds, about the weight of a small car. That's incredible, right? Well, yes and no. Because while your muscles got the upgrade, everything else about you stayed exactly the same. And that's where things get complicated. First problem, your own body. Your bones, tendons, and ligaments didn't get stronger, so every time you use your new strength, you're putting massive stress on joints that weren't designed for this. Imagine trying to lift a car. Your biceps could handle it, but your elbow might just pop. Not great. Then there's the breaking everything problem. Doorknobs ripped off. Handshakes, potentially bone-crushing. Hugging your dog? You'd need to be extremely careful. Every single action you used to do on autopilot now requires intense concentration. Forget texting. Your fingers would shatter your phone screen like it's made of crackers. And let's talk about walking. With 10 times the leg strength, every step would launch you forward like you're on the moon. You'd probably crash into walls, overshoot doorways, and trip constantly until your brain recalibrates. Learning to move again would be like being a toddler, except you're also a wrecking ball. But here's the wildest part. You probably couldn't even show off your strength in public. Think about it. You lift a car to help someone with a flat tire. Great. But now you're viral on TikTok. Scientists want to study you, and the government is very interested in your sudden biological impossibility. Your life as a normal person, over. You'd become a walking science experiment, a media spectacle, or worse, a target. And even if you avoided all that, there's the energy problem. Muscles need fuel. To maintain superhuman strength, you'd need an absolutely ridiculous amount of food, probably 10,000 plus calories a day. That's about 40 cheeseburgers daily. Your grocery bill would bankrupt you before you ever got to enjoy your powers. So yeah, waking up with superhuman strength sounds like a dream, but in reality, it'd be more like a nightmare of broken furniture, constant hunger, and never being able to relax. Superpowers work great in comics because the world bends to fit them, but in our world, you'd be the one bending. Door frames, mostly. The takeaway? Sometimes our limitations are actually what make life livable. Your normal, average human strength is perfectly calibrated for high fives, opening jars, and not accidentally destroying everything you love. If you enjoyed imagining this very inconvenient superpower, hit that like button, gently, with your normal human strength. Drop a comment telling me what superpower you'd actually want, and subscribe for more what-if scenarios that'll make you appreciate being totally, wonderfully ordinary. See you next time.